Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your entire Google search history. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, I'm on my Android phone. You can do this on an iPhone. You can do this on a computer. It doesn't really matter. There are a couple different ways that we can do this. The first way is we can go directly to the website that will show us all of that search history, be able to delete it, research for it, all that stuff. And that website is myactivity.google.com. So go to myactivity.google.com, or if you're just on Google, you can always just tap at the top right on your profile and hit manage your account. And this will take you directly to your account where you can scroll down and you can go to data and privacy and get to it a similar way by doing that. Now within here, you'll be able to see it will show you all of your history, including your YouTube history, Google Maps, all that stuff. Let's choose web and app activity on this list. And then we're going to scroll down. You'll be able to see a lot of activity for, again, Google Maps, photos, shopping, etc. If you just wanted to get to your Google search history, you're going to tap on the Google icon here. And now you can see search history and history. All I need to do is scroll down and you'll be able to see all of your search history for today or any other day. And now on here, you can tap on the little X to delete that search history. Or if you wanted to remove the entire search history, all you need to do is go towards the top and we're going to choose to hit delete. And then we can choose to either delete all time or delete today. Let's choose to delete all time. And you can see I can choose all of these products. Let's hit select all and then hit next on here. And then all I need to do is hit the delete button. And just like that, my entire search history across Google will be deleted. Keep in mind, this does not include YouTube search history. That is a different place that you'll need to go specifically into YouTube if you wanted to delete that search history as well. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.